The topics covered so far are the basic concepts such as isothermal and adiabatic processes. Number two, zeroth law and first law of thermodynamics. Number three, work done in isothermal and adiabatic processes. Number and now we will discuss the reversible and irreversible processes. Reversible process. The definition. A reversible process is one which can be reversed at every point in such a way that all the changes occurring in direct process are exactly repeated in the opposite order and in reverse sense, and no changes are left in any of the bodies taking part in the process or in the surroundings. Conditions. There should not be dissipative forces like friction, viscosity, or electrical resistance, etc., for the process to be reversible. The direct reverse process must be very slow so that the system is always in equilibrium position. The temperature of the system and the surroundings must be very close to each other. There should not be much difference between these two things. All these conditions are not possible in reality. So reversible process is not possible and it is an ideal case. Examples of reversible process. Melting of ice. When certain amount of heat is given to ice, then the ice melts into water. If the same amount of heat is taken out of water, it is converted into ice again. Very slow evaporation or condensation are also reversible processes. When a perfectly elastic ball falls on a perfectly elastic surface in vacuum, then the ball rises to its initial height. Very slow elongation or a contraction of a spring without oscillatory motion is called reversible process. Irreversible process. An irreversible process is a one which cannot be reversed exactly in the opposite order. Examples. Heat transfer from high temperature body to a low temperature body. It is irreversible process. Heat produced in a resistor when current is passed through it is also a irreversible process. When an iron ball falls on a plastic surface, it cannot rise to the initial height. Joule-Thomson effect is also a irreversible process. In the next class, we will discuss an important topic, that is Carnot's heat engine, which deals with the heat conversion into work and efficiency formula. It is an important long answer question. Thank you, students.